Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a karaoke track using Suno AI. A karaoke track is simply the instrumental version of a song with the vocals removed, so you can sing along cleanly without a lead voice competing with you. Karaoke tracks are useful for practicing vocals, performing live, creating cover songs, or even testing different vocal ideas before recording. We'll use Suno AI's built-in stem extraction to get that instrumental from a song you've already created with vocals. The process is quick and doesn't require any additional audio editing software. Start by opening Suno AI in your browser and logging in. Once you're in, head to your library. This is where all your generated songs live. Find a track you created that includes a vocal, since we'll be separating that vocal from the music. Songs with clearly defined vocals often produce the best extraction results, although Suno can handle a variety of vocal styles. When you've found it, click the three dots next to the track and choose Edit. This takes you into the editing view for that song, where you'll find the tools needed to separate the different audio elements. Look for the option labeled Get Stems. Stems are the separate pieces that make up a mix, typically things like vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. Having access to stems gives you much more flexibility because you can isolate specific parts of a song instead of working with a single mixed audio file. Suno AI gives you two choices here. You can extract all detected stems for 50 credits, which breaks the song into more parts for detailed control. Or you can extract just the vocals and the instrumental for 10 credits, which is perfect for a straightforward karaoke track. If your goal is simply to remove the vocal and keep the music, the vocals and instrumental option is usually all you need and is more cost-effective. Most users creating karaoke versions won't need the full stem package, unless they plan to remix or further edit the song later. Make sure you have enough credits, then click Extract. Suno AI will process the track, which may take a short moment depending on the song length, complexity, and current server activity. When the extraction is finished, you'll see two versions available, labeled version 1 and version 2. These are alternative separations generated by the AI. Play both to compare the results. Listen for the instrumental that sounds the cleanest, with minimal vocal bleed or echo, especially during loud choruses or moments with strong reverb. Also check quieter sections, where leftover artifacts can be more noticeable. It can be helpful to listen using headphones because small imperfections are often easier to hear than they are through speakers. Pay attention to the overall quality of the instruments as well. Sometimes one version may remove vocals more effectively, while the other preserves the music more naturally. Choose the version that gives you the most natural-sounding music bed without the lead vocal coming through. After you've made your choice, download only the instrumental. Click the download icon for the instrumental track and save it to your device. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later, and consider placing it in a dedicated folder for your karaoke tracks. If you create multiple versions of the same song, you may also want to include version numbers or notes in the file name to make organization easier. Keeping your files organized can save a lot of time as your collection grows. That's it. You've used Suno AI to separate your song, audition 2 extraction versions, and download a clean instrumental ready for rehearsals, performances, or recording covers. You can now use the track for solo practice sessions, group sing-alongs, live performances, or content creation projects. If you ever need more control for future projects, remember the full stems option exists. But for karaoke, the vocals and instrumental path keeps things simple and efficient. With just a few clicks, you can turn a completed Suno song into a professional-sounding backing track that's ready whenever inspiration strikes.